Does your dog really love you? Well, a tail wag is a sign of a happy dog, but it doesn't always mean they love you. So how can you be sure? In this video, we'll share 5 secret signs that your dog has a special bond with you because they love you. You'll be surprised by what you learn. Keep watching till the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It's not the wag of the tail, but these subtle behaviors that can tell you if your dog truly loves you. Sometimes dogs wag their tails when they see you as a greeting, but it's not necessarily a sign of affection. Similarly, when they're excited about something else, like a walk or playtime, they may also wag their tail. So how can you be sure that your dog's tail wag means they love you? Look past the tail wag and notice the little things your dog does when they're with you. These behaviors can give you a deeper understanding of their feelings towards you. Let's explore some of them. The welcome home rituals. When your dog is truly happy to see you, their whole body language will convey their excitement. Sure, there may be jumping and wagging of the tail, but there are other subtle cues to look out for. For example, they may bark once or twice to express their joy, then immediately sit down and look at you expectantly. This is a sign that they want to please you and are happy to see you home. Another behavior that shows your dog loves you is when they bring you gifts. This could be anything from a ball to a stick. By bringing you these gifts, they're showing you that they care about you and want to make you happy. It's their way of saying, "Look what I found for you." It's important to note that this behavior is not just a polite acknowledgement of your presence, but a genuine expression of their affection. Share space, share love. Dogs who love you will seek out physical contact and proximity even when they're not trying to get something from you, such as food or a toy. They may nudge you with their head or lean against you when you're relaxing. If your dog does this, it's a sign that they feel comfortable and loved in your company. Additionally, dogs who love you will maintain eye contact with you. This doesn't necessarily mean staring, but it does mean that they'll hold your gaze when you look at them. The protector instincts. Dogs have a natural instinct to protect their pack, and those who love you will exhibit this behavior towards you. For example, if someone approaches you while you're petting your dog, they may move in front of you to block the person's view or step between you and the person. It's important to note that this behavior isn't necessarily aggressive. Rather, it's a subtle way of them showing that they're ready to defend you if needed. Another way your dog will show they love you is by bringing their favorite toy to play with you. This is a sign that they want to share their joy with you and make you happy. Finally, dogs who love you will check in on you, especially when you're in another room or asleep. They may bark softly or nudge the door with their nose to see if you're okay. The language of relaxation. Dogs who feel comfortable and relaxed around you will exhibit certain behaviors that show their affection. One of these behaviors is the sigh of contentment. You may notice your dog sighing deeply and contentedly when they're near you. This is a sign that they feel safe and comfortable in your presence. Another behavior is when your dog exposes their belly for a rub. This is a sign of vulnerability and trust, as the belly is one of the most vulnerable parts of a dog's body. Finally, dogs who love you will fall asleep confidently in your presence. This is a sign that they feel completely safe and comfortable around you. If you've come this far, so you must really love your dog. Share this video with others so they can learn more about how to strengthen their bond with their furry friends.